What's going on, guys? It's me, Phil, back again with Capswag for another product review video. In today's episode, we're going to be taking a look at the all-white dad hats from 47 brand with a tie-dye under-visor. Let's get into it. Alright, so here it is. At first glance, this is the first hat, you might think, okay, what's the big deal? It's just all white dad hat with a white logo embroidered on the front there. Well, yeah, that is what it is, but there's some more detail. We're gonna get into it. Solid white hat, unstructured crown, New York Yankees logo embroidered on the front in 3D white. It kind of looks pretty tonal, right? But in person, it's subtle, but it still pops, it's not really too unnoticeable. Now, this is a little hard to see. On the wearer's left here, you got the 47 brand logo embroidered in white. Again, you gotta get really close to see it. On the back, white adjustable strap with a metallic buckle and tie-dye under visor. So no two hats are the same. These are actually custom dyed under visors. So that's something that's pretty cool. It's kind of unique, every hat is a little bit different. Same idea, they're all tie-dyed, but I think it's pretty cool. I think it's very summer. I think it's very unique. You don't really see, you see custom undervisors, but typically they're solid colors. You don't really see tie-dye like this. So these were pretty cool when we got them in. I was pretty excited. We got a white sweatband on the interior, genuine merchandise label on the inside there for the MLB, 47 brand label. This is one size fits all, and it's 100% cotton. And the other team we got them in is the Los Angeles Dodgers. I'm going to show you that next. Okay, so right here is the Los Angeles Dodgers hat. I'm just trying to kind of rotate it for you guys so you can kind of see that logo, because again, it's tonal, it's white on white, so it's tough to see. But got a white unstructured crown, white curved brim, white 3D LA Dodgers logo embroidered. The wearer's left there, we got the 47 brand logo embroidered in white. On the back, white strap, metallic buckle that you can adjust it with, tie-dye under visor, so see what I was talking about? Each one is slightly different. They're custom tie-dye, so no two hats are alike. We got a white sweatband on the interior, genuine merchandise label, 47 brand label, one size fits all, and it's 100% cotton. These have been the custom tie-dye white dad hats, guys. We got them in the New York Yankees and the Los Angeles Dodgers. And here's another shot of those under visors. As you can see, they're not the same. Each one is different, custom. No two hats are the same. Pretty dope pickup. I think this is a great hat for girls. I think it's a great hat for dudes too. It's not, it's unisex. It's not necessarily one or the other, but it's a great summer hat. Perfect for the beach, the pool, whatever. So if you're looking for something this summer that really has those summer vibes, ties into your other tie-dye, this is a great pickup. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you leave us a like, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you always know when we're dropping new videos. If you have any suggestions for future content or future products that we could be dropping, leave us a comment. We read them and we do take your suggestions. Make sure you follow us on Instagram. It's @CapswagUSA. That's where we drop all of the newest and latest stuff that's coming in, whatever we're working on. So if you want to be in the know, you want to find out things before anybody else, make sure to give us a follow. And as always, guys, it's been a pleasure. I hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.